Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to cancel Squarespace subscription. Well, before you cancel the subscription, back up all necessary files, content, web orders, and gift cards from the website. Now go to your account dashboard. So to go to your account dashboard, click on the user icon at the upper right corner, then click account dashboard. In here, choose the website that you want to cancel your subscription. Now, click on the three dots on that website, then click Billing. In the Billing section, click on the current subscription. Then, unselect Renew automatically to make the site inaccessible before the next payment. To cancel immediately, click Cancel Subscription. Then, select a reason and follow the prompts. And that's how to cancel Squarespace subscription. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.